that we are doing chapter 9, Heron's formula. In that yesterday I have given to solve 3 sums. Hope students you have solved these sums and you are going to show me the answers of those sums.
मैम वो सम्स तो है ना किए तो है, लेकिन है ना फर्स्ट जो सम्स थे ना उन दोनों के तो आंसर्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, लेकिन जो थर्ड वाला था ना वो तो पूरा आ गया है। फर्स्ट दो के पता नहीं पॉइंट में आंसर आ रहा है, तो हमें पता नहीं चल
फर्स्ट सेकंड का नहीं आ रहा।
हाँ
बस
देखो answer will come. Either it is coming in a decimal or in a fraction, but it is going to come.
ना वो डेसिमल में
डेसिमल में आया है मैम।
हाँ, so there is no problem with that now. See, this is not possible कि every time you are getting the sum or getting your answer in a whole number only. Sometimes you are going to get your answer in decimal or a fraction also,
यस
right?
पर वो करना नहीं।
चलो, still we will go ahead. How many of you done the homework? At least done.
यस मैंने
यस मैम डन
डन
डन।
Harshika, Pawan, show me your notebook.
मैम मेरा भी हो गया।
सारे सम्स किए, तीनों सम्स?
नहीं सिर्फ 2 ही सम्स, मतलब उसमें भी एक
ये तो
वो
क्रॉस किया।
फ्रैक्शनल
Only one sum is
सेकंड।
there.
हाँ सेकंड वाला है ना उसमें फ्रैक्शनल आंसर आ रहा है और फर्स्ट में डेसिमल।
Okay, what about the rest of the students? Only Harsika is done. And this little bit of Pawan. What about Jai, Mayur, Nidhi, Shashank, Riddhi? Are you getting the same answer that everybody is getting?
यस
The last sum, right, Riddhi?
यस।
What about the next sums? हाँ, okay,
मैम
Harshika.
उसका आंसर ही नहीं आ रहा मैडम, जो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
ट्राई किया था आपने? Have you tried?
हाँ ट्राई किया है ना। यस मेरा
हाँ, so your answer will come in a decimal. Don't worry. If you are not going to get the square root, then remain as it is. No problem with that. हाँ, okay. What about Jai now? Jai, Shashank, Nidhi. Nidhi, you are attending the class, but you are not doing the homework. Jai also. Jai, Nidhi, Shashank, Mayur.
मैम मैंने किया है।
हाँ तो Somi, I am waiting for your answers only.
मैम मैंने किया है लेकिन नोटबुक का ही गलती से रख गई है।
गर्मी में भी
एक्सीलेंट।
See, you are also at your home and your notebook is also at your home. Find it out and you will get it soon. एक दिन में खो नहीं जाती नोटबुक.
हाँ वही तो, और
Don't
स्कूल
give
क्लास
me.
में भी ऐसा है।
मैम मैंने नहीं किया है।
हाँ
ऐसा ऐसा साफी बोल देना,
हाँ वही तो
बुक कर करेगा।
Okay, fine. Chalo. Next sum we are going to give you. And before that, we just revise the whole chapter. Okay, Harshita. Chalo. Now, as you know that, what will be the area of right angle triangle?
area of right
Right angle triangle.
360 degree, the sum of 360 degree.
What you are taking?
Then the sum of 360 degree. ऐसा कुछ है ना?
Area. What is the
Half.
area of right angle triangle?
हाफ मल्टीप्लाई बाय बेस
Half into नहीं, half into base into altitude.
Okay, half into base into altitude, or you can say height, right? Now next.
सेम ही।
Last year you have might understood or might remember the area of trapezium. Do you remember? What will be the area of trapezium? किसी को कुछ पता ही नहीं है ना। That is good for you कि
एक मिनट
that is omitted from your syllabus. अगर आपके syllabus में होता तो you are not able to give any answers because last year तो आपने कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं 8 में, है ना।
पढ़ा तो है ना।
8 में पढ़ा ना, स्कूल में ही पढ़ा।
हाँ तो फिर चलो
भूल
asking you some
गए।
questions now. Okay.
इससे
First question
चैप्टर
is that MCQs not I am asking you the fill in the blanks. Okay. So I am not giving you any option. First question. A median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of dash area.
क्या मैम वापस बोलो
A
ना।
median of a triangle. Median,
हाँ।
okay. Median of a triangle divides it into the two triangles of dash area, equal or unequal area.
मैं बोलूं?
बोलो
इक्वल
कौन?
एरिया। इक्वल।
इक्वल।
Okay,
मीडियन
so median is
ट्रायंगल में
there,
इक्वल होता
so it will divide the triangle into the equal area.
है। एरिया।
Dash of a parallelogram divides it into four triangles of equal area. In diagonals, what would be divide the triangle into the four equal area? उसमें क्या होता है कि वो फोर इक्वल एरिया में डिवाइड करेगा। मीडियन होता है ट्राइंगल में, राइट। सो व्हाट इज देयर इन द पैरेललोग्राम? If we are drawing the parallelogram, we are putting a cross inside it. So what is this cross lines?
मैम बाइसेक्टर।
Bisect. Okay, that is not there, but what we can call in a properly? बोलो जय, मयूर, शशांक।
इंटरसेक्टिंग।
पैरेललोग्राम में क्या होता है अंदर? Inside the parallelogram, what we are drawing it? Putting across lines. What?
बाइसेक्टर
No.
बाइसेक्टर
But what
क्यों बोलता है?
bisector? So beta, what do you mean by bisector? Bisector means whatever the line is that is divided into two equal halves. That is called the bisector. But what we call of that line, particular line को हम क्या बोलते हैं वो लिखना है आपको आंसर में. What will
सेगमेंट
be there in your parallelogram?
मैम सेगमेंट
मैम
Segment हम circle में draw नहीं करते. We are not talking about the circles. Don't tell me sector now. In a parallelogram, see, this is a simple parallelogram, right? Now inside that we are doing this type of these two lines. What we can say of these two lines?
यस
Yes, giving a specific name to those lines. What is the name of those lines? पढ़ते नहीं हो. Start learning now. It is called as the diagonals.
डायगोनल्स। ओके ओके डायगोनल्स। ओके
डायगोनल
कितनी हिंट देनी पड़ती है आपको to get a
मम्मी
simple answer?
मैंने नहीं खबर
डायगोनल यार मैम वो गलती से भूल गए, नहीं तो याद ही
हाँ हम
थी।
गलती।
Next is that what is the area of parallelogram? How can we find out the area of this parallelogram? What is the area of this particular parallelogram?
ये
What is the area
मैम
पर?
बेस इनटू एल्टीट्यूड।
Base into height, not altitude.
हाँ बेस इनटू हाइट।
Okay. Okay. चलो. Now next is that The measure of a planar region is called its. Planar region means inside the region. What we are calling it? Perimeter or area?
Area.
असं नाही खाली.
And if we are going to find out
Area.
the boundaries of a particular figure, then what we are calling?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. What is the area of rectangle?
Area of rectangle.
L into B.
L into
What is the perimeter of rectangle?
L into B
2 into L plus B.
plus B.
पढ़ा ही नहीं है. Okay. Area of
2
square
into
is
L
equal
plus
to
B. क्या area?
area
Four
of square
sides.
is equal to
4 multiply side. 4 multiply side.
area of square is equal to
Side
4
into
into
side.
side.
side into side will be the answer. Or we can say
मैंने
side
बोला
square.
साइड इनटू साइड बोला
What is the perimeter of square?
4 into
4
side.
into side.
Okay. What is the volume of cube?
Cube.
Volume of
हाँ.
Volume
एक
यानी
minute.
volume means volume. Cube.
Yes, ma'am. एक minute. Ma'am,
We are
A
finding
square.
the
A cube. V is equals to A cube.
A cube में.
A
Ma'am, V
cube.
is equals to A cube.
Okay, got the you found the answer, है ना, from your sources. Okay, चलो. What is the volume of cuboid?
L into B into H.
Okay, LBH, right? Now, shall I give you the extra sum to solve it just now?
Yes.
पर मैम वो डेसिमल वाले मत देना.
Yeah, उसमें चलो one more MCQ I'm asking you. One more MCQ, okay? If a median of a triangle divides it into two, option I am giving you. I am repeating one more time question. A median of a triangle divides it into two. Congruent triangles, isosceles triangles, triangles of equal area, or right triangles.
Right angle.
Huh?
Right angle.
See, one by one, four of you just say one option, है ना? Right triangle is false.
मैम वैसा तो सोचा ही नहीं था.
हाँ,
मैम
तो
वैसा तो सोचा ही नहीं था.
नहीं, one by one you are speaking one different answer. So what can I do?
आपने आइडिया दे दी.
चलो, right angles is a incorrect answer. Now three options are left.
वे चुप हो
Congruent
जाओ.
triangles, isosceles triangle, or triangles of equal area.
Triangle of equal area.
Answer would be triangle of equal area. Now, next MCQ is that which of the following is true for two figures having the equal area? Two figures are there having their equal area. So what can we say about this? First option is that are always congruent. First listen, then tell me. Are always congruent. Second, are never congruent. Third is may or may not be congruent.
Always.
What will be the answer?
Always. Always.
They are always congruent. That will be the answer.
Yes.
Every time it is not possible. So your answer will be may or may not be congruent every time.
है?
Huh. Area can be same, right? In case of triangle also is there, the rectangle is also there. Area will be same, but it may not be a congruent. Both are having a different shapes. So how can we in this situation how can we they congruent, right? Sometimes it is possible कि they can be a congruent, but it is not possible for every time. Okay,
हाँ.
think about all the factors on that. Chalo, now write down the next question. Chalo, that will be easy for you. A triangle having, write down the questions. A triangle having
Yes.
the sides
Yes, I.
The side.
The side
5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 4 centimeter.
5
5
centimeter.
centimeter.
5, 5, and 4.
Okay.
5 centimeter and 4 centimeter.
5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Find its area using Hero's formula.
Okay.
Using
Find out as fast as possible. Okay. What answer you are going to get?
2 under root of 21 centimeter square.
Okay. Tell me what will be the value of S now?
7. S
7. Right? Everybody got the value of S as a 7.
Yes.
5 plus 4 plus 5 is
Yes.
14 upon 2 is equal to 7 centimeter, right? Now, after
Yes.
putting the values in the Hero's formula, what are you going to, what have you got?
7. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 4.
So 7 into 2 into 3 into 2.
Yes.
So ultimately, what have you got? Answer
2:73 centimeters.
73. 20. Wrong answer.
12. 12.
So you will get the 7 into 2 square into 3. So 2 square will
Yes.
come out. So 2 only will be there.
For 7 or 3?
73 is 7 3s are 21 will be there inside.
हाँ वही ना 7 or 3.
So 2 into under root of 21 would be your answer.
Yes. 2 under root 21 centimeter square.
Right. Pawan, and make the correction. Okay, 21 is right now. What else has done? 21 by the corrections only. Okay. So good. Only 2 of you have done. Riddhi, right. You are Meeta Mayur. Wait. Riddhi. So me now. Mayur कितना अंडर रूट का तो साइन ही नहीं है कहीं पे भी. Mayur put the under root sign.
Yes.
Harsika, you have also not kept the under root of sign.
Yeah, ma'am. देखो.
Riddhi. Sorry, Riddhi has not done. Put the under root of sign and then do it.
Okay.
Mayur, now show me again. Okay, Harshika. Have you kept everywhere? Good. And this all about what? Untidy work is there. Mayur. What about Riddhi has completed the work? Show me now fast.
1 minute.
What about Jai, Shashank, Nidhi Vyas? Show me Jai and Shashank also.
मैम कर रही हूँ अभी सॉम.
Do it fast. This is of Riddhi, Harshika. Okay. So me Jai, Shashank. Ahead also you have not kept the under root of sign. For all the three
रिद्धि
sets have the under root sign.
अंडर रूट का साइन डाल देख, मैंने जैसे किया है ना वैसे पूरे में डालना है, मतलब लास्ट वाले में नहीं, पूरे आंसर में डालना है देख।
हाँ, like this way will be the answer. Okay, right. Now what about Shashank and Jai? Okay, Mayur. What about Shashank and Jai?
यही नहीं है इसमें।
Do it fast. We are running out with the time. Okay, fine, students. We are ending up this class over here, but make sure Shashank, Jai and the Nidhi, you have to increase your speed day by day. So try to practice to solve the sums regularly. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are ending up this class over here only.